TGIF South Florida, we made it to the end of the week. It's finally Friday. We are obviously approaching a holiday weekend. A lot of people either have off today or will be traveling to their destination. And of course, we are the lucky ones, right? Because we live where a lot of people vacation. So if you're staying put, we have really good news for you. I'm going to get to that in a moment, but let's get to the obvious. Heat alerts, a heat advisory goes into effect starting at 10 a.m. this morning. That sticks around until 5 p.m. tonight. And that's because daytime highs are going to climb to 95. But when you add in the humidity, it's going to feel like we are dealing with 110 degrees plus in some spots. So yeah, another hot day, another tough day for sensitive groups. So you just want to make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day, avoiding too much time outdoors. It's going to be another hot one. We could also be either challenging or breaking a daytime high record. The record 96 last set in 2021. Your forecast high 95 degrees. We're also watching for afternoon thunderstorms, almost like yesterday. We get to do it all over again today. We're going to see scattered showers and storms out there develop during the afternoon. So let's go ahead and talk timing. This is 4:30, and while coverage is not going to be as significant as yesterday, there's still a lot of moisture. So heavy rain is certainly not out of the question. And this again, 4:30, you can see Broward County. We could see a couple of showers there inland across Miami-Dade. But as we move the clock forward, 9 o'clock still shows a few areas seeing downpours, and that'll be the case straight on through the rest of your Friday. Friday night does look dry. By Saturday, we could be seeing a few more showers develop.
We do have Hurricane Lee down to a Category 2 storm. It will not continue to weaken at this point. It will once again re-strengthen back up to a major hurricane and then continue to track up the eastern seaboard. As we're watching this, again, going through the rest of our day today and into tomorrow morning, that's when we'll see that intensification happening. We're likely to get it back up to a Cat 4 as we get into Tuesday, and then as it turns, it's going to be battling some ingredients that try and weaken it. We have some cooler waters. We have the chance to see some shear. It's battling shear now. That's why it's a little bit weaker. So we're likely to see this fluctuate in intensity and in its location as it works towards the United States and as it works towards a landfall as we get closer to next weekend. But you can see the models agree on the most part that it does turn. But you can see where in the areas of all of the forecast model runs that it doesn't quite agree on exactly where it's going to track in the long range. Most of the models, though, do take it up into Canada. Yesterday, some of the models actually had it coming into New England. So again, fluctuations in this forecast are still very likely until we start to get into that Monday, Tuesday timeframe and we can nail things down a little bit more.